I'm Corneille Zell. I'm an Associate Director at Deloitte Consulting.
My name's Benjamin Bingham. I'm a Senior Consultant at Deloitte. This is the Nerve Center, which is a collection of reporting solutions built for all levels of a mining organization.
The Nerve Center brings together data from across the organization and shows business performance in an integrated way.
Probably one of the biggest challenges is always going to be adoption, especially in mining environments, which are often stuck in some of the more traditional ways of working, and working with digital products can be quite difficult. One of the issues that we found when we were putting this out at clients is we wanted a working solution and we weren't looking for perfection, which is often something that people want to get to, but in an agile methodology they don't quite get to perfection. But when there's a problem with the solution, people will try once and very quickly never look at a product again if they encounter a problem with it. So the one morning that report doesn't work will dictate what the next 2 years of trying to get reports into that team looks like.
So my call to action is to make people part of the process.